Welcome back, and it's day 4, and today we're heading from Mondsee to Schaffhausen in Switzerland. Hi folks, we're Simon and Emma, aka Iggs'n'Morts. We're a UK couple who love to travel and ride our Harley Davidson. We have decided to take an adventure on our Harley Sportster 883. We are riding 2 on a road trip across Europe to southern Turkey, crossing a continent to reach our base for 3 months in Fethiye. This is near the resort of Uludeniz, Turkey. Apart from getting to the Channel Tunnel, we will avoid toll roads and motorways. We have no time scale, but we do expect a rough journey time of about 2 weeks. We haven't pre-booked any hotels and we're travelling light. Our route will take us through France, Germany, Switzerland, Liechtenstein, Italy, Greece and ultimately Turkey via the port of Çeşme near Izmir. Our journey will take us through snowy mountains, icy switchback passes, stunning lakes, ancient republics and civilizations, long ferry journeys, along the way exploring cities and remote villages and enjoying local traditions before reaching our final destination in Turkey. Our little Sportster has become our trusty hero, our steadfast iron horse. Please travel with us and enjoy. Please like and subscribe and drop us your comments. It's free and it'll help our channel grow. It's never changed. Here we are in Lidl's, in a place called, I think it's Mackelstein or Mackelheim, something like that. We're just going to have a quick sandwich. Simon's gone into the shop to see what's in there and to see if there's a toilet as well. So we just had a warm up and a sandwich at Lidl here, and then we're on our way. We just sat there, but it looks like we've got about hour to go. So not far really, and then we'll be in Switzerland.
We're in Germany, don't we?
Yeah. We're now in Germany. We've only come probably about 15 minutes from the Lidl's in France. Yeah. And now we're in Germany.
We've got to go and pay for fuel. I don't know how much I can fit in
we're
there.
having a fuel stop in Germany now. Not sure how much to put in. It's some of the that Simon did. He did have the perfect amounts last time, so hopefully he can guess again. Still cold, but not as cold as it was before. Looking on the mountains over there, the GoPro won't pick it up, but there's snow on the top. And we did get snowed on a little bit on our journey today. So it does feel warm at the minute.
Oh yeah, after red.
That's
good, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I don't know how much you could fit in there.
Yeah.
No, I reckon €8, I thought.
Yeah. Let's see if we get this through.
I'll get to say no, isn't it? I won't far out, 7.
So, we're only going to be in Germany a short time today because we're just sort of clipping into Germany and then straight into Switzerland. So
isn't it? That's gorgeous. Couldn't ask better than that, could you?
It's like a winter wonderland.
Yeah.
All of a sudden. We both bought extra thermals in Nonsea and we're very grateful for them now.
Another hour to go, yeah? This is just incredible. We just didn't expect anything like this today. Not snow. Hey, that was good though, wasn't it? Finding this was easy, wasn't it? All of a sudden we're here. Oh, it's got to get really cold down here.
Yeah, me. This hotel is near the town of Huffingen. It's a little hamlet here which is really quaint. is the 25th of April, and we've travelled from Nancy in France, and we were trying to get down to Schaffhausen, which is here, and then we realised that Schaffhausen, because it's on the Swiss side of the border, is very expensive. So we decided to stop a little bit further up, where we decided to stay in Germany, and we stopped just about here, but it was out in the sticks a little bit, so it was about here. So we came down from Nancy, we took all the small roads again. I'm not sure how accurate I'm being here, but I'm just going to go down here to here, so we're not that far from Schaffhausen, and on this side of the border. We were freezing today because of the snow. I asked Simon before he went for his dinner, and we've done 183 miles today. In total we've done 735 miles since we left Chepstow. So anyway, we're about here. And now that we're here, tomorrow we're hoping to clear Switzerland. So far we've gone from Chepstow all the way down here to just on the edge of the Swiss border. Tomorrow we're going to be heading through Switzerland to Lake Como in Italy. So we want to do Switzerland in one hit. Wish us luck, and please join us on the next part of our journey. If you enjoy our videos, please consider subscribing and pressing the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye!